it's Megan with WTI, and while I love plants and gardening, I am by no means an experienced gardener. But this BESSIO Hydroponics Growing System has helped me to work on getting a little bit of a greener thumb. One thing I really like about the system is how petite and compact it is. I am able to fit it on one of my smallest accent tables. For this reason, I think it is great for anybody like me who has limited space or who might live in a small apartment. It comes with everything you need to get your seeds started. I could choose whatever seeds I wanted to plant in this unit. I chose to plant dill, parsley, and basil. I planted a few seeds in each seed pod that came with the unit, and within just a couple weeks, some healthy seedlings started to sprout. I love the fact that this growing system comes with its own plant food. I simply had to add water to the bottle with the dried plant food inside, shake it up, and then add the required amount to the water tank. I'm really happy that this plant food came with the unit because I really want these seedlings to thrive so that I can transplant them to a pot for myself or to give as a gift. I'm really excited about the seedlings that I've gotten started in this BESSIO hydroponic system, and I'm really excited to see how much they grow. And that's my point of view.